Hey guys, I'm here in Heywood. I'm at dog and cat grooming, and it is Lancashire Dog and Training and Behaviour Centre. Not too bad, nice place. Some nice statues on the posts here outside the gates. Look at them bad boys. Wicked, look at them. They're looking good. Bath time treat for dogs. Bath time treat for dogs. Professional dog groomers, microchipping and collection and delivery. Looks like it's, well, I'm not sure if it is open. This is closed here. So I'm presuming, reception round there. Let's go round and have a quick look, see what we can see. These close the gates. Oh, look at this place, Luke. That's looking good. There's another statue there. There, look at them. Quite a nice little place, this, isn't it, eh? Look at it. Please close the gate behind you. I hope my bike don't get nicked anyhow. Just to shorten this, guys, on my way home from work. I'm still learning, so, you know, I need a bit more training yet, but I'm going to get into it. Oh, lock there, unlocked. Unlocked, lock there. Anything in there, can see? Nope, can't see out. Anyhow, guys. Oh, what does that say up there? It is prohibited to smoke, including e-cigarettes, on the premises and grounds of Lancashire Dog Training and Behaviour Centre. Thank you. Dogs roaming free. Hope there's not a big Alsatian comes out and gets me. Beware of the dog. Can you hear them yelping in there? You can hear them yelping. So, not sure how long this place has been here. I think it's been here a while. I've just never stopped off here, that's all. Seen it here for a few years. Email Michelle at Helmstar. Aye, not too bad. Nice little place. Right, guys, I'm gonna get off. Just thought I'd do a quick one on the way home, that's all. So I'm gonna get off, guys. Have a good one, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. See you later, guys. Ta-ra.